Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you how to make a really fun and cute macrame wall hanging. This pattern is great for beginners because we're using one very simple knot, which is just the square knot, but we're making a very fun design as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. For this tutorial, you are going to need two different colors of rope, and you can choose whatever colors you want, but I am using dusty pink and black. For the pink, I have 10 ropes measured about 6 feet long, and for my black ropes, I have 8 ropes measured about 7 feet long. And then I have 14 short pieces of that black rope measured 8 inches long, and this is to add the fringe you see around the edge of the wall hanging. First, we will attach all 10 of our dusty rosed colored ropes to a dowel rod using a lark's head knot. So I just fold those ropes in half, send it over the dowel rod. There's a loop right behind where I pull the 2 strings through the loop, and then I pull it tight. Now we will begin tying square knots using all 10 of these ropes to form a heart-shaped pattern. So I will show you how to make a square knot one time, and then you can just follow along to make the heart-shaped pattern. And if you need more details on this exact pattern, there is a more detailed tutorial available for you to check out. Otherwise, let's learn how to do a square knot. So I'm going to use these 4 ropes here, so I left off the section of 2 here on the left end. So using these 4 ropes, I take the rope on the far right, cross it over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop. Then I take the rope on the left to go over that right rope, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I just pull that tight. I take the side on the left to cross over the 2 in the middle to form the loop. The rope on the right goes over, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And I pull it tight. So this is the first part of our wall hanging, just a simple macrame heart shape using square knots. And again, if you need a little extra help to learn this pattern, there is a full detailed tutorial on my YouTube channel. Okay, so now I've went ahead and added 8 of my next color rope, and what I've done is I've just attached 4 of these black ropes on each side with a lark's head knot, as we did with the pink ones. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to make long chains on both sides of square knots. And I'm going to do an alternating square knot pattern where I do 2 square knots and then 1 and then repeat that. So let me show you what I mean by that. So again, I'm just going to take 4 ropes here and tie 1 square knot. Take the next 4 ropes and I tie 1 square knot. Then I'm going to use the 4 ropes now in the middle and tie 1 alternating square knot. All I'm doing for this little pattern, and the goal is to make this long enough so that I can connect it in the middle with the section we're going to do on this side and make a pretty cool pattern. So let's go ahead and do that. Here is what it looks like with both sections all finished up. And I have made 13 rows of square knots on each section. And now our next step is to take these 2 sections and we're going to connect them right in the middle of our wall hanging. So to do this, I'm just going to take the 2 ropes here on the far right from this section and the 2 ropes on the far left from this section. And I'm just going to take them and tie a square knot as before. And now I'm going to kind of do an alternating square knot pattern in kind of a diagonal line. So I'm just going to take these 4 ropes here and tie another square knot. And now comes my favorite part, which is adding fringe to these little side spaces. So I'm going to take pieces of rope that are 8 inches long, and you can use the same color you did your outer piece as. So I'm using black and I'm gonna do black fringe, but you could also go back and use like your pink color as your fringe or a whole new color, so that's completely up to you. And another little tip is look at how long your ropes are from this piece if you're going to use the same color, and you might have a few that are much longer than the others, so trim those off and use that as part of your fringe before you cut off whole new pieces. Okay, so I'm just going to take my 8-inch pieces of rope and attach them to these spaces using a lark's head knot. This adds just a fun boho feel to your projects, and I think it just adds another dimension and is so playful and fun, and I love adding fringe to projects this way. My final step then of this project is to just look at my ends of my ropes and cut them to the length I need. I can go through and add a fun texture like a barrel knot or a one-stranded braid, anything really, just a simple overhand knot, or of course leave as is. You can make your ropes uneven, as even as you want. I love having creative freedom with how I end my projects, so I'm gonna leave that totally up to you guys as well. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.